What's up, everyone? In today's episode, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. The market this week was a little bit choppy and definitely harder to trade than normal. Looking at a chart of SPY right now, it is making pretty continuous lower highs, which is normally a weak or bearish signal for the markets. We are still very close to all-time highs, though, and as we go to some powerhouse stocks like Apple and Nvidia, they are still relatively close to highs. So the markets appears to be in some sort, what we'll call a shift right now, where momentum is not necessarily in fully in the bulls or the bears control. So with that being said, let's jump right into this week's recap. For the swings, it's nice and easy. There are no new updates there. So getting right into the hybrid bot plays, it was definitely a slower week, like I said, but we'll run through the plays either way. With the play on September 5th with Home Depot, that popped for around 12.9%. It moved a little bit. It wasn't anything like too crazy, but it was a slight move. The play with SQQQ on the 6th popped for over 80%. This was definitely the play of the week. I know a lot of people did very well on this one, and it was just a solid play overall. The AMD play on the 7th moved a little bit, but again, it was nothing too crazy. So it was definitely more of a dud play than anything else. And that popped for like 15%, and the price action was just a little bit shaky. And then basically the same thing with Amazon, except for this play was just a complete dud. And sometimes it happens in trading. It's just not every single day where you can just pop, 80% winners back to back to back to back. Sometimes you have a couple losing plays in a row, and that's just how trading works. So we definitely saw a little bit of that type of action this week. But like I said, it's completely unavoidable, and sometimes it happens, and we are fully transparent about that. Looking over into the theta plays, shorting put options is hands down the best strategy in the entire market. I've been saying this for a long time now. You literally get paid to buy shares at low prices. It is the best strategy in the market. If you are not shorting put options, I very strongly recommend it. If you need help or if you have questions on how to do that, feel free to look up like Introduction to Put Writing on Investopedia, or simply just ask Tom Hunter or myself in the Discord, and we will definitely take care of you. So definitely look into some Introduction to Put Writing, or just shorting puts in general, also called cash secured puts. But all in all, the market is definitely in a shifting phase right now. And then we do have some pretty exciting inflation data set to release on Wednesday. So that'll be very exciting, and it will bring in some extra volatility into the markets. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing weekend.